The Seattle Seahawks promotes oh gosh, bees. Okay, this is a beehive, and the city of Tacoma and Point Defiance have beehives all over Tacoma. And this is a workbench, and this is basically how we get our fruits and vegetables. But the beehive is a good summer program to let you know that we just don't get our food from the grocery store. Grocers and farmers help produce food. Now, bees, they like flowers, and they produce honey, and the honey makes sugar, and it also produces a big plump fruit. So thanks to Point Defiance and City of Tacoma, we have fruit, and I'd like to thank the mayor as well for promoting programs. And have a super great day. Enjoy the sunlight, which also helps with the sunlight. Thank you, God. Thank you for this day. Washington State and recycling programs, the beehives, storage, workbench, and class lessons of how we can preserve